Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace from Diamond Paint with Grace, and I have I think I'm up to part 6 or 7. I think I'm up to part 6. The thumbnail will tell it all. I've got to go back and have a look of my quest to find the perfect storage solution. So this one here today comes to me from DP Clubs. Thank you so much for sending it out to me. I really truly appreciate it. Before we keep going though, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Grace from Diamond Paint with Grace. If this is your first time stumbling on my channel, I would love for you to stumble, stay and subscribe. 3 fingers by hitting the little button down there, okay? The little button down there which says subscribe, next to which is a little bell which will go ding each and every single time I upload a new video. I don't want to waste any more time. I want to get onto the table and see what this new storage system is all about, and if it suits and if it's something that I will be looking forward to use. Come join me, guys. But before we do that, let's throw some love out to the Patreons and those that have bought me a coffee. Thank you so much. It is also very appreciated, and I'm going to see you on the flip side. Come with me, guys. Come on. Okay guys, thank you so much for coming back. Now, what we have today is a continuation of my storage solutions, okay? And this was given to me very kindly for review by DP Clubs. Thank you so much. Let's dive into this puppy and see what it is. You ready? Are you ready? Let me take it off camera and bring it in. Oh my gosh, wait till you see this. Wow, let me zoom you in. Oh my, this is so much prettier in person. Let me show you why. And it feels so pretty. Look at the sparkle. Look at that sparkle. I mean, like seriously, can you even? And it's all the way around. Wow. Oh my gosh. All right, let's take a tour. Now, you may or may not have seen these around on the sites as you are looking for your own storage solutions. As I said, I am looking for the ultimate, what works best for me, depending on what painting that oh, look, it matches my nails. It's so cute. So it's got a beautiful print of a nice high heel stiletto. Very, very elegant. Got flowers and butterflies, little flowers down here and here. It's got some feet down the bottom so that when you're putting it down, it's going to sit nicely and not scratch this part here. Rather, it will be elevated because of the feet and protect it. So that's pretty well made. It's very nicely stitched. Just making sure that you're always in focus. It's very nicely stitched all the way around. This looks silver, but it's actually plastic. Okay, but hey, you can be, what does Abigail say? You can be bougie all you like with one of these. Oh my goodness. Beautiful hail, okay. And it just feels beautiful. It really feels, it is a little bit textural because those hearts are dinted in, but very sparkly. Now, it comes with the 2 zips as well. Let me, oh, it's upside down now, however, that's okay. 2 zips and, whoa, oh, we get some labels. And these ones here, how big are these? Okay, they're the small ones. Okay, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fours are 28. And then how many layers in here? Oh, 1 layer. Okay, all right. Okay. So we get the 2 layers here. And that would be the same. So there's 50, what did I say? 28, 56. Yes, 56. And of course, these are the bigger ones here. So we've seen, I've reviewed this size bottle before, but if you haven't seen those ones, for point of, I always kind of go back to my budget Kmart one, and I will try to remember to link down below where I got this from. Now, this is two different things here, okay? And when I say Kmart, that's where I purchased it from here in Australia, one of our stores. These are two different concepts. So the outside case is one item. So the outside case comes with 1, 2, and a thinner layer. And I've put the bottom layer, let me do it that way. That's got my spare ones, see down there that didn't fit in here. Okay, and I've actually got, that's one painting and that's two paintings. I've got two paintings kitted up in these. And I have gone with the whole just numbering of them, and I know what canvas, even though the idea was to put a picture of the painting that I'm working on inside each. I haven't done that. Okay, I'll get to it. So we're going to muck around with this one, which is a 5200 glow. You can see how much, that's a big whack of diamonds in there. Okay, that is a big whack of diamonds. For demonstration purposes, let's have a look. Let's have a look. How many? Yep. Goodness gracious. If I don't pick these up, my table's going to glow in the middle of the night. All right, so we get, just to show you, about half. Okay, so if you've got a painting that has got big bags of drills, and you don't mind refilling, that's fine. But otherwise, this still comes out on top as far as quantity. Okay, as far as anything else, and price, that is going to come in a future video. Stay tuned. Once I complete my quest and find all that there is to have, and I'm just doing that comparison. Oh, see, it's not smart. Let's just do it properly and stop being lazy, Gracie, and put the lids on for the peoples. All right, and you may or may not be able to see, but this holds about half of that. Okay, so depending on how you kit up, you may, and I've kind of gone through this before, but you may have, oh, the lids don't interchange. Okay, so the larger ones have got the frosted lids, and the smaller ones have got the more clearer lids. When I say frosted, maybe opaque-ish, see the difference in them? It's not that that's dirty, it's deliberately a different color. Okay, let me get these out of the way because it's not about them at the moment. Okay, all right, so depending on your style of kitting up, you may have one painting sitting up here if it's got the teeniest amount of diamonds to go, okay? Or if you are, this is 56, so you might go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If that's how I need to have things in numerical order. That's not to say that I won't use this for a larger kit. I guess I will kit up one that does go to that amount of colors just to go through the process and see if my brain can handle it. Because it's funny how, you know, you've got to just do what your brain can handle in this sort of thing. And you can see there is a massive difference in size, okay? But it's all about bringing to you what these are. Now, these do come out. Material, it's really well sewn in, and here as well. So you can opt to use this for something completely different. You might use that as a little cosmetic case or something else and have these set up somewhere else for your convenience, okay? Or you can choose to keep them in here. And that's really, really convenient. You've got, what did we say? 28 on each side. So that can certainly cover you for either one big kit or a couple of little ones easily, quite easily. Now from memory, unless they're different, let's see. do they interchange? They kind of do, but you won't be able to close it if you do that. Oh no. It squished it all in there, and that's not going to be good for anyone because you're going to be struggling like I am to dig it out. So no, don't do that. Don't do that. Beautiful little carry case. It is quite squared off, so to speak. You've only got the rounded edges here, so it will stack. Or if you've got a nice craft room, you can definitely use it as a display piece as well. Okay, so beautiful, beautiful piece. You should have, I would imagine, enough of these to kit up. And I would, because of the smallness, the size perhaps, if you will, of the actual stickers themselves, you would, similarly to how I didn't have stickers, I just put washi tape across here, okay? But I would just use these for numbers. And the beauty of that then is that you can, once you kit up and you finished your painting and you kit down and you take your diamonds out, these are already pre-numbered for your next painting. And that's where, like, if you're going to use this for one big painting and you're going to have 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10 will be up here, and then like the numbers are going to go up and down. It's not going to be the same for your next painting. So what you can do for that is you can either get yourself some extra stickers from somewhere and take these off and redo them, or use a grey lead pencil and then erase them off and then renumber them again. That's another way that you can combat that problem, and then you won't have any issues. They do come in different colors. There's pink, there's blue, I think there might be a purple, all with different pictures in them as well. But I've got to tell you, she is so pretty, so pretty. Look at that. So pretty. She's going to make an appearance in my final assessment video. That's going to be epic. It's going to be epic once I finish everything. But it is, look, my hand, that's my hand, and she's quite a nice compact container. So thank you so much, DP Clubs, for sending this out to me. I really do appreciate that. I really do. She's a wonderful little case, and I look forward to using it. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you've gotten to the end, I would love a little shoe emoji. I'd love a little shoe emoji. Pick what's your favorite shoe. Is it a boot? Is it a heel? Is it a slipper? Is it a sneaker? What is it? But who's got one of these? Who uses it? What are the pros? What are the cons? If you've used it, please share with, not only with me, but with everyone else in my diamond painting world by leaving a comment down below it. It really would be helpful to know. Wherever you are, guys, in your part of the world, geez, I hope you are looking after yourselves. I hope you're looking after each other. Until I see you next time, have an amazing rest of your day, a fantastic rest of your week. I would love for you to give me a thumbs up on your way out. Okay, until my next video, sending you much love, and ciao for now.